For me and Kyle, going on hikes is one of the neatest things you can do. That's why we made this video, so you could all see how cool the Hollywood sign is, instead of just me and Kyle knowing it. You know, you just gotta remember when you're out in nature, you gotta, bring a stick. Pack some heat, pack a stick. Wow, look at this. This is a telephone pole. You can tell this is a telephone pole because the way it is. Wow. Wow, that's pretty neat. You know what I think would be a great topper to a great day is we just saw some sort of like wild beer bottle or something, so I just like to get the earth moving, shake things up a bit. Here we go. Up, up, up.
Here, Lily. Here, Lily.
Yep. Yep, yep. Look at that. Look at that. It's just oh, it's just a beer scare. Just a beer scare. It's just a beer. It's not so often you get all this neatness in one location. That's called Hollywood.